Hi, and welcome to Yorihei Korean and Asian cooking recipes. Today we're making an easy, sweet Korean pancake called HoTteok. We're going to cheat a bit and show you how to make this in a few minutes, so let's get started. Ingredients for this are really simple. You'll need sliced bread, you can use white or whole wheat, brown sugar, some nuts, we're using crushed walnuts, roasted unsalted pumpkin seeds, roasted unsalted sunflower seeds, and cinnamon. Traditionally, they use peanuts. We use walnuts instead. You'll also need butter or cooking oil, and a cup that's just the size of your bread. So first step, mix up all your ingredients. Just mix it all very thoroughly. So first, take 2 slices of bread, and on one slice, press down the middle. Now take about a spoonful of your ingredients and put into the depression here on your bread. Take your other slice, put on top, and we take our cup and press down. Now 2 ways you can do this. One way, just tear your bread pieces off, or you can cut. So let's try one more and I'll show you how to cut. Again, depress, fill, press your cup down, and we cut away. So you see how this looks a little bit neater. The other one, you have a bit more material. If you need to fold, you can fold. Earlier, you may have said that the bread broke a little bit. Don't worry about this because we're going to press this down. I'm using, this is a HoTteok press. If you have something like this or a cup, something flat to press down, that'll help. So next, we heat up our pan and you're going to put some oil or butter. So add enough oil or butter if you're using that. And we place our pieces down. Flatten them lightly. And we'll cook each side until it's just golden brown. Okay, now flip each one. Note the color. And flatten again. And just let these cook a little bit more. Add a bit more oil or butter if you need to. We hope you found this recipe useful. If you want to make the traditional HoTteok, we'll show you how to make it from scratch in another video. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll join us again next time.